Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing video, so if you found it helpful, please leave a like, subscribe or leave a comment in the comment section below. So today I will unbox this new Parkside pressure washer I bought from Lidl. Its model is PHD 150B2. But first let me tell you some specifications of this device and what comes in the box. So it is ideal for vehicles, patios, facades, thorough cleaning with powerful high pressure water spray, powerful aluminium high pressure pump with extended durability and high corrosion resistance, power saving automatic start system, motor operates only when the pistol grip is pressed, easy to change, cleaning nozzle with bayonet lock, turn click connection, high mobility with lightweight design, large wheels and convenient carry handle. Built-in 1.5 liter tank, automatically mixes in detergent with water at low pressure. Easy to handle with ergonomic pistol grip with child safety feature. Robust casing made from impact resistant plastic, integrated hose reel, cable and accessory mounting for effortless operation. And in the box comes, so the machine is 2100 watt, its maximum liter capacity an hour is 450 liters. It has maximum 150 bars, 1.5 liter detergent tank, and the accessories are one standard vario nozzle, one turbo dirt blaster, one rotating wash brush, one nozzle cleaning needle, one quick connector for garden hose adapter, 6 meter high pressure hose with kink protection connector and one bottle of detergent. So now we will take a look what this device looks like and try to set it up. So now let's go ahead and see what comes in the box. Here we have a 500 milliliter shampoo or a detergent. Here we have some manual and a wrench and also 2 screws. And here we have some plastic parts and the adapter for the garden hose. Let's try to take this out. So here is the nozzle, and here we have a pistol. So let's go ahead and try to assemble this thing together. This 360-degree rotatable brush that is neatly stored back here. You can see that this spins while the water flow goes through it. It It is very soft bristle brush. This is the 360-degree vario nozzle. Here we have a built-in 1.5 liter detergent tank. You can open. It is also removable. Here we have the upper grip that I will try to screw on. And as I mentioned before, it is very simple to connect these two together. You just put them together and twist, and they are locked together. And they are really sturdy and almost the same quality as the Karcher system, but for a much cheaper price. So this is the finished assembled machine. I did have to put in this handle, and that is screwed in by two very poorly designed screws, so I had to replace them with my own because they got worn. Here on the side there are two clips on each side that can store your gun, and on the other side you have a cable storage, and here on the top we have a pull-up lever and with this lever we can reel this water hose cable on or off. So this is it of the unboxing and the review of this Parkside pressure washer. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, as I mentioned, please like and subscribe.